Hi, hello, and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Bathrooms are a disgusting place to clean, isn't it? I don't think so. By following some simple cleaning hacks, it is easy to clean and maintain the bathroom as a brand new one even after so many years of construction. Today we'll be seeing how to clean the shower glass partitions and the bathroom faucets to make it look brand new like a store-bought one. So let's get started. This is my shower glass partition, and this has accumulated all sorts of soapy water, dirty water and hard water stains. And it looks so dirty to look at. And all these faucets and fittings have also got lot of hard water stain on them. And they've already started to look shabby and old. So now let's see how to clean them. For this we would require the following things. We will need a small wiper, some synthetic vinegar which I have poured in this spray bottle for easy use. You will need a glass cleaner like a Colin. Then you will need any toothpaste along with some basic scrubber, cleaning brush or an old toothbrush, along with some microfiber cloth and any toilet cleaner like a Harpic or a Domex. Now you have to spray the plain synthetic vinegar on the shower glass partition generously in such a way that the entire glass is covered properly and is fully wet with vinegar. Do this on both sides of the glass and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. I would recommend you to use a face mask as vinegar emits strong fumes. In the meanwhile, the most easiest hack is to clean the faucet with this Harpic toilet cleaner. Pour a small amount of Harpic on the faucet and gently spread them all over the faucet using a brush. I am applying this Harpic on all the faucets one by one and spreading them well. We will allow this to sit for around 10 minutes. In case you feel that they are getting dried up, then spray vinegar on top of them and continue to leave them soaking. Now for the stainless steel faucets, it is about 10 minutes now. I am using a regular scrubber to gently scrub them all over. You may also use a cleaning brush or an old toothbrush to scrub the bottom corner to remove all those yellowish stain. After scrubbing them well, wash them and wipe them immediately with a microfiber cloth. Don't leave the water on them as water will again form stains on them. Hence wipe the faucets on a regular basis to avoid stains. the shower glass partition, after 10 to 15 minutes, I am going to use this toothpaste. Wet the toothpaste on the scrub and start scrubbing from left to right and from top to bottom in such a way that all the areas are scrubbed well and well covered. Take the required amount of toothpaste and continue scrubbing all over. Do this on both sides of the glass. Now I am pouring some water on the glass and washing the glass with my hands. You can already see how clear the glass has become now. Now I am using a wiper to remove all the water. If you leave this to dry, then this water will form stains again on the glass. Hence, it is important to wipe the water from the glass after every shower. Now I am using a microfiber cloth to dry them completely. Once the glass is completely dry, you may use a Colin glass cleaner for the extra shine. But this is optional. Use Colin and clean it with a newspaper or a tissue paper. So that's it. Our faucets and glass partition looks sparkling clean like a brand new one. So that's all for the cleaning, guys. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit a like and share it with your friends and family if you found this to be useful. And don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling with your YouTube channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.